In the evolving landscape of the Russia-Ukraine war, one weapon has rapidly shifted the balance of air superiority: the Russian FAB glide bomb. Originally designed as unguided high-explosive aerial bombs, the FAB series, particularly the FAB-1500, FAB-1500, and even FAB-3000, has been transformed into devastating standoff weapons through the integration of UMPK guidance kits. These winged modules allow bombs to glide tens of kilometers after release, turning dumb bombs into precise, low-cost, and highly lethal instruments of destruction. With each passing month, Russia's use of these glide bombs has intensified, reshaping the battlefield and placing enormous strain on Ukraine's already overstretched air defenses. The FAB-500, weighing around 500 kilograms, is the most commonly deployed variant. Fitted with glide kits, it can now be launched from Su-34 or Su-35 fighter bombers from a safe distance, far beyond the reach of most Ukrainian surface-to-air systems. This innovation allows Russia to launch attacks without risking aircraft or pilots. Despite its relatively small size compared to strategic missiles, the FAB-500's blast radius, often exceeding 300 meters, is more than enough to obliterate fortified positions, military bases, or urban infrastructure. When used in mass, these bombs create a rolling wall of destruction that can flatten entire sectors of a battlefield. Even more devastating is the FAB-1500, a 1.5-ton bomb capable of penetrating underground bunkers, destroying steel-reinforced structures, and producing shockwaves strong enough to be felt kilometers away. According to military analysts, these bombs are increasingly used to break entrenched Ukrainian lines, especially in areas like Avdiivka and Chasiv Yar. When launched in salvos, they leave defenders no room to regroup, forcing retreats or complete collapse. In some cases, these strikes are accompanied by drone surveillance, ensuring targets are re-hit if they survive the initial wave. Russia's strategy hinges not only on destruction, but also on psychological warfare. The sound of glide bombs, their ominous whistle followed by thunderous detonations, instills terror among frontline troops and civilians alike. Unlike cruise missiles or drones, these bombs are difficult to intercept due to their low radar signature and erratic gliding paths. Ukraine's Patriot or NASAM systems, although capable, are limited in number and cannot possibly counter dozens of glide bombs launched in waves daily. Ukrainian officials report that up to 100 guided bombs are dropped in a single day during peak assaults. Perhaps the most alarming aspect of Russia's FAB glide bomb campaign is its efficiency. Each UMPK kit costs only a fraction of what a cruise missile does, approximately $20,000 to $30,000. This makes them a financially sustainable option for Russia to maintain long-term pressure on Ukraine's military infrastructure. Moreover, as the war drags on, Russia has scaled up production of both the bombs and their guidance systems, signaling that this method of attack is not temporary but a core part of their offensive doctrine. Meanwhile, Ukraine struggles to adapt. While Western-supplied air defense systems offer some protection, the sheer volume of glide bomb attacks is overwhelming. Electronic warfare systems may degrade the bomb's accuracy, but not enough to stop the damage entirely. As a result, Ukraine is increasingly forced to relocate vital operations underground or away from key front lines. Even with Western-supplied glide bombs like JDAMs or the French AASM Hammer, Ukraine cannot yet match the scale or impact of Russia's glide bomb assault. In conclusion, Russia's adaptation of FAB bombs into precision glide munitions has changed the nature of aerial warfare in Ukraine. By combining low cost with high destructiveness and standoff range, these weapons have given Moscow a critical edge in firepower projection. Whether Ukraine can counter this threat in time remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the era of mass glide bomb warfare has arrived, and it's rewriting the rules of modern combat.